Do you find yourself worrying about your financial situation right now? We are going to see why. Before that, consider this channel, subscribe and like this video, and action. This sensation affects millions of people all over the world at various times and incentives. Many people face financial difficulties as a result of job loss, job insecurity, mounting debt, or mounting bills. Financial stress, regardless of the cause, is a widespread concern in today's world. Buyers and sellers, employers and employees all benefit from the creation of money. Financial difficulties can have negative impact in our health, relationships, and overall well-being. Some of these difficulties can be so serious that they can disrupt sleep, undermine self-esteem, and sap one's energy levels if they are constantly worried about the money. According to a 2017 study by the American Psychology Association, money was ranked second among the top stressors for Americans. Another study discovered that people who suffer from depression and anxiety are 3 times more likely to accumulate debt than those who do not. Money stress should be taken seriously. Yes, money stress should be taken seriously because it can lead to bad financial habits that can jeopardize one's financial goals. We continue to strive to serve you with great solution tips and how to make your life better. If you are new to our channel, Smile Global channel, consider supporting this channel. Subscribe to never miss another great informative video like this and other future special ones. Stay amazing. See you in the next video. Peace.